Hello everyone, welcome to another Lou's Redos. Today we're going to do a dish that I happen to really enjoy, stuffed sole. So I'm going to show you what I do. I have some lemon sole here. Use gray sole, use tilapia, use whatever you, flounder, whatever kind of rows your boat you could use.
No pun intended.
Alright, let's get started. Stuffing. A little less than a cup and a half of breadcrumbs. Now I add some red roasted peppers because I happen to like them. I didn't want to use garlic, so a little bit of shallot. And I did forget the egg. Okay. So, just one if you can. Some crushed pepper. I did some pink Himalayan.
Ketchup. And an egg.
We need that in a bit. So we are going to mix this up. We are going to add the egg as the binder. Okay, what I'm going to add now is a little bit of white wine.
Maybe a little bit more.
Now I'm going to save the rest of that for the sauce.
He's going to drink the rest of it.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Okay, we got that started. What I'm going to add to this now is I have about 8 ounces of crab meat, and I have 5 U15 shrimp. U15 mean under 15 to a pound. I diced them, and we're going to mix it with the breadcrumb. So it's going to be a crab and shrimp stuffing.
It's like a seafood medley kind of thing here.
Oh yeah, man, it is so good. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is rinse my hands. Okay. Here's how I do this. In the pan, we're going to get the vodka bottle out, I mean the oil. A little oil. And the first thing I'm going to do is kind of lay out 3 pieces.
3 decent sized pieces.
Yeah. I'm being selective for the bottom one for a reason. Okay. Then
Make a crab cake out of the stuffing. Which is okay.
We can.
Yeah.
Okay.
You didn't hear that.
No. Another show.
One day.
Okay, kind of roll it like you would make a meatball.
Yeah, let's go with a meatball. It's a seafood meatball.
It's a seafood meatball. Tastes like chicken, kids.
That's what they all said. And to this day, I still don't eat seafood. I just don't like it.
Because he realizes
It's not chicken.
It's like chicken. Okay. And what we're going to do, flatten it out, put it there. We're going to, I'll do that last. Hold that there. Now, take one of the soles. You'll see a center line in it. Split it.
You're trying to split your soul, is what you're saying.
Split your sole, yes. Half to go one way, half to go the other.
It's a yin and yang effect.
Absolutely. And that's what you're going to do, folks. I don't go all the way to the tail. I kind of leave that intact. And I have some space, and I'm going to fill that in a minute. Now, if you like, you could just split the middle and kind of do it that way. Either way works. So I need just a little more stuffing right here. And a little more right there. We're going to put some there. That's it. The rest of this we're just going to kind of divvy up. It's not much. Now I did sprinkle some Old Bay onto the seafood to kick that up just a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
And the last thing I'm going to do is we're going to just top it with a shrimp. Now, you want to put a shrimp on each end. Don't even go there.
No, you don't want to know.
You want to put 3 shrimp. You want to put. You know the saying, folks.
There's no rules.
There's no rules. I am going to pop this in the oven.
Can I just say it before you do?
Go ahead.
It looks like a Georgia O'Keeffe painting. And
we're going to put it in the oven.
good idea.
And now I'll tell you what I'm going to do.
Smells like one too.
Okay. We are going to make a lemon. I originally was going to do a lemon caper sauce, and then I decided, because I'm not big on
Capers.
salty capers, but
What are capers exactly?
a little one of these.
Those are capers.
This is a caperberry. This is the same plant. They're not as salty. You could actually put these in a cocktail.
Really? Like a martini?
Yeah, you can. So what we're going to do here
I only know of capers because they go well with seafood.
is I have a roux started. We are going to add some lemon juice. Some more lemon juice. I do have it started already.
Mm-hmm.
we are going to add some white wine.
The rest of it. There's more, don't worry.
There's
Yep.
I'm going to add some lemon rind to the sauce. I'm going to add about a dozen caperberries.
For flavor.
We're going to let that come to a boil so we realize how thick it is.
Does it take like 5-10 minutes?
It's going to take a few minutes because I did have it started, but I had the heat off. Okay. And we're going to let that cook down. I will see you in 20 minutes or so. And we are back. So I'm going to look how nice this looks. We left a little piece of sole on, but it's okay. Let's do it this way. This is the lemon white wine and caperberries. Look how nice that looks.
Good luck.
Yeah. Stuffed sole with crab and shrimp. It's a great Friday dish for Lent, should you choose. It's a great dish anytime. If you like what you see, like us on Facebook, YouTube, and subscribe and comments. And now we're also going to be on Staten Island Community Television. We do a show on the station, and basically what I do is do my videos, and we have a talk segment, and there's going to be guest chefs on the show with me, and we're just hopefully going to have a good time with it. Enjoy your stuffed sole. Until the next time, good cooking and be safe.